friends, in this video we are going to discuss the chapter The Living World within 10 minutes. In this video I am only noticing the important points or tricky parts from this chapter. Okay, in the beginning we have an introduction of Ernest Mayr. Here the important points are: he is known as the Darwin of 20th century and was one of the 100 greatest scientists of all time. And the next point to remember is he also pioneered the currently accepting definition of biological species. These two are the important points we have to remember about him. And coming to the chapter, we know every point of NCERT is important, but I am only marking the very important or tricky parts only. So in this first section we have the number of biodiversity, that is 1.7 to 1.8 million. It's an important fact. Then in going down, next thing we have to remember well is ICBN and ICSD. These are two codes. One is International Code for Botanical Nomenclature and other is International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Here the difference is, here we have 4 in ICBN and off in ICSD. That's a tricky thing, so you must concentrate more on it. Next, the rules are very important. We have 4 rules, so the question may have 4 options in which one of the rule will be incorrect. So we have to identify the wrong rule from the 4 given options. It's important. One of the important fact in naming is, here you can see the name Mangifera indica. Here indica is a small letter and Mangifera the starting of Mangifera is capital letter and indica is small letter. It is an important. Many will may not notice it, so it's important. So remember it. Again, then going down, we have to say taxonomy is a process. It's not like economy. It's not a branch of or any subject. It's a process, so it is confusing. The statement may be given as it's a branch of classification. So no, it is not a branch of classification. It is not a branch of science. It is not a branch of anything. It is a process, so it is important. We have a branch to study that is called systematics. So don't get confused with both two. Then the term system and nature was given by Linnaeus. It is important. Then every point are important. What is taxonomy, category, hierarchy, taxon? Every point is important, but I only pointing out the small things. Then moving down, some may get confused that cats and dogs may be related and maybe came under same family. No, it's dog came in Canidae and cat came in Felidae. That's a thing to note. Then another very important point is plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae included in order Polymonaceae. This point, it's an important point. It's based on floral character. This is an important point. They may ask like these Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are included in order Polymonaceae based on what? The answer is floral characters. Then moving down, this order, the kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species is important. Then for plants we have the name, division, not phylum. Then the most important part of this chapter is this box. I know all are important, but this box have many information. Look, every family end with the sound a. It's important. If they give 4 options and find out a family, the main thing to look is the a, what end with the ACA, a, day, that sound. Another important thing to note that classes of plants also end with the AE, but the difference is families end with CA and class end with DONE, like Anacardia CA, Dicotyledone. The difference is it. So that's why this box is important. The order, like animal order end with ta, ra, like sounds, but plant orders end with ales, something like that. So that's why this box is important. We also can study the order for man, phylum, order, class, Mammalia, order, Primata, family, Hominidae, genus, like that also. So that's all about this chapter. I concluded this within 7 minutes. So after studying well all this, please also consider these points to be rechecked. Okay, thank you.